Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Frownies Forehead Between Eyes 144 patches. What you are doing is stopping your skin that has now lost out is losing its ability to unwrinkle after being wrinkled into an expression from deepening that groove. Frownies stop your face from frowning and prevent some of the expression lines, but they don't reverse any signs of aging that you already have. The older Frownies tore apart with ease, while this newer version requires some bending back and forth of the Frownie at the perforation and then tugging with more pressure to get them apart. Not a big deal, but the manufacturers should know that their product has changed thicker paper and that the perforations need to be made deeper to accommodate the thicker paper. Even my kids say the frown lines look much better now. Perhaps a little Botox would keep me from frowning so much. You don't want to soak the Frownie with water, but do get enough water on it so it gets good and tacky. This can leave my brow furrowing without me noticing, leading to a recent line between my eyebrows at the ripe age of 40. Although it does not totally eliminate the frown lines in between my eyes, it helps smooth it out, which makes it less visible. And the worst part is that they actually stayed there even after graduation when my stress levels subsided back to a lower state. The Frownies really do seem to smooth my forehead area, or at least they are keeping the matter from getting worse. The coolest thing though is that something about wearing the patch at night makes me more aware of furrowing my brows during the day. Also, if the two sharp corners of the Frownie poke into your forehead when applying, bend back a tiny corner on each side away from your skin. No, this isn't as effective as Botox, but it's not 200 and you're not putting bizarre chemicals in your body either. Before you go running off to the doctor for those Botox injections, try Frownies, which also keep your forehead from moving, thereby lessening visible lines. They stay put all night and you have to look very hard and closely to see any lines, and they don't come back. It does take some patience to get them on right, but if you smooth the lines with one hand and press it on with the other, it gets easier. That effect lasted most of the day, not my entire stressful 12-hour shift, mind you, but well into the afternoon. But if you put these on at night and pull the skin tight while you stick them, you wake up and the wrinkles are gone. Medical tape is sticky and a bit gunky, and it was getting very annoying to cut out and apply and wash off every morning. It does not reduce the smile lines, but it does prevent the smiles lines from getting worse, and best of all, it allows me to sleep on my side without worry. Frownies can be hard to put on at first, and even when you are very experienced, and they work best on clean, dry skin. The space between my eyebrows is not perfectly flat. There is a small gap between each brow, which is turning into a concave triangle with my newly formed line, so it's difficult to get the patches to stay put. Frownies not only reduce the lines, they also help me to feel relaxed by releasing tension in that area and help me fall asleep. It relaxed during the course of the day, but over time it was becoming more and more entrenched, making me look angry. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and leave your comments below.